Be that one there. Gotta be. Dial Sam Lanza. Hang on, what's going on here? Fuck no. Bear with me. Fuck. Fucking. Hang on. Let me get this organised again. Fuck. Just bumming around, singing a song, doo-dah, you know. Should look up any ticket they're talking. So you're still working hard? You're still there, fucking hell. Yeah? Oh, well, I've just finished my second delivery. They fucked up the paperwork at bloody Toorak. Fucking hell. Yeah, put different stickers all over the pallets. Fucking which is which. Eventually worked it all out. Fucking dickhead fucking loaders. Unbelievable. The only way I identified one of them was the bloody security crate, which has the specific store on it anyway. But fucking Jesus. Got through it all. So yeah, I'm just heading through Richmond now. Yeah, going back to Lebanon. So I reckon so. I don't see why not. I just hope it's not miles away, because I've got to have a break at 20 past 4. So no, you've been working hard waiting. You've been doing as directed. How's that? Yeah, where you going to now? Oh, beautiful. What a kind of a fucking place to go to. That's your job. Oh, well, there you go. That's your day done and dusted. Easy. So we'll see what happens when I get back. I'm just about to get on the freeway anyway, so I cut across because I can, but the roads were fucked trying to get through Toorak. Yeah, St Kilda Road, Toorak Road they blocked off, so I couldn't do that. Couldn't go the way I wanted to do because it's a low bridge and I haven't been that way for a long time. Couldn't remember if it was 3.7, 3.8, 9 or whatever. So fuck, better not go that way. And then instead of turning left where I should have gone, I turned right, so it took me another 5 minutes out of my way. Like, fuck. It's all roads I haven't travelled on for fucking years. You know, we'll be just doing basic main roads and freeways, and that's it. Now I'll be going through all the back streets trying to get around all this shit. But luckily I only had a little 16 folder. That saved a lot of hassle. Still a good curve though. Oh fuck yeah. I won't get much now. It's coming up to Burnley Street, Westgate, the bridgey fucking tunnel entrance here, fucking whatever you want to call this road. There, so that's where I am at the moment. So yeah, I go, yeah, go up Dundas Street and come in that way. What are you in? 22? What? 22, yeah, I go through. A lot of guys say they go off High Street, Plenty Road, and go right up past it, then reverse in, but I've never done that. It's always just been too busy. Yeah, so I go around into Dundas Street and turn left into it there, at that entrance there. Yeah, that's what I do. Yeah, supposedly. I found that easier. And you don't have too much of a drama, you just have to let the dickheads go that come around the corner seeing you, come down. Oh, we got to get through. I said, well, where are you going to go? There's two ways we're going to do it. Either you're going to move out of the way or you're going to move out of the way, because I'm not reversing back. Because I'm on the wrong side of the road to give myself plenty to turn around that corner. Simple as that. So, yeah. Yeah, so, oh, well, your day's done with that one, so you'll get a full day out of it, so that's alright. So hopefully I get done. So what am I on now? It's 2:30, so I've done my 8 hours. So I'll get 9, so hopefully I get another one out of it.